In today's video, I will show you how to earn thousands of dollars each day online by capturing free public domain images. And the first step is to reproduce these pictures lawfully. The second step is to upload the picture to a website, offering a free option to improve photo digitally. Bring the picture over to another website where you may legally examine all of these photographs to earn money online. The picture may still look like the original one. If we go on the website, we may see that some pictures are already sold over 4,700 copies for $10, totaling $47,000. So be sure to watch the video all the way through to the finish to discover and grasp how to generate money online by just selling public domain images. Furthermore, the websites I'll be sharing with you are available everywhere globally, and you may sell millions of images for free on the internet. Before we begin, welcome to Official Money Pill, where I show you how to make money online step by step. Please subscribe to this channel and remember to click on the notification bell so that you will be notified every time I release a new video on how to make money online, and you can take action. Also, please give this video a big thumbs up. If you have any questions or concerns, leave some comments below. I'm not talking about royalty-free images. Instead, I'm talking about pictures made by well-known artists throughout the globe that can be readily and quickly sold online. You wouldn't be able to sell any of the images if you wanted to, since they are copyrighted. When you click on these images, you'll see that the images may be copyrighted. For instance, if you use someone else's picture or photograph, you may be sued, and any money you gain would have to be repaid. However, there are photos in the public domain that have been distributed to the public, and that you are free to do anything you want with them, including promoting, customizing, and so on. Let us now discuss how these photos have entered the public domain. For example, if the owner dies and the business reveals most of the company's photos, it enters the public domain. Examine this out. If you go to Wikipedia and search for Pablo Picasso, a renowned artist, and then click on one of the images, you'll notice that it's in the public domain, which means you may do anything you want. You may click on it to download it. I'll show you some websites where you can do that. Also, where can you sell and get them framed, as well as the firm that will handle everything for you. You don't need to touch or transmit anything. It'll all be done by them. The first step is to go to Google and search for prominent painters. You can find Picasso and Leonardo da Vinci, and you can take a quick look at all the different sorts of artists to get ideas. As a result, you may find these artists on various websites. However, if you go through them, you will discover more ideas and inspirations for things you can accomplish. One of the first websites you should go to is freeimages.com. It is a website that concentrates on public domain photographs, which means you may use many of them. Once on this page, you can just click on search and put in anything like a mountain, winter, autumn beach, ocean food, or whatever you like. Then you realize that you can find all of these other photographs on this website that you can really sell, and you may view all of these various sorts of photos. When you press on certain pictures, you'll see that many of these different pictures were created by well-known artists. You'll see all of these photos that you can sell as you continue down. When you click on any of them, you'll discover that most of them are just extremely old and disarrayed, and I'll teach you how and where to digitally improve those specific images so you can make more money. You'll also note that some of the images were painted by Van Gogh, a renowned painter. But before we go any further, if you're enjoying this video so far, please hit the like button. If you haven't already, subscribe, and don't forget to press the notification bell. Rawpixel.com is another website you may visit. This website also offers a large number of images from which you can choose any of the photographs in the public domain. This means you may use it to change and sell it for free. If you click on another picture from the premium part or any of that, you can see that you'd have to pay for it, and you don't have any rights to that photo. So you simply want to make sure that you're in the public domain. When you go down this page, it also has some lovely photographs that you may utilize, and many of them have already paid digitally in advance, and it's just incredible. However, there is a lot of great Japanese art used for reselling. And more recently, another website where you may use the strategy is metmuseum.org. Okay, here is simply another incredible discovery for you guys, where you can come and uncover a range of different sorts of public domain photographs. Then enter mountains, oceans, and other kinds of artists in the search area. If you locate what you're looking for, click on any of the pictures and you'll notice that it's in the public domain. And there are two sorts of images, one in the frame and one that seems to be in the frame. You can also immediately download these photographs by clicking on the download buttons. You may grab these photographs, edit them, and sell them. I'll guide you through the whole process of downloading a picture and upgrading it so that you may sell it. Then I'll show you a few more suggestions on how to get it all done and shipped to the customer's location so that you may make a lot of money online every day. Return to any of these websites as a first step. Download a picture. You have many options here which you can download. You'll download an image. After receiving the picture, you'd want to improve it to make it more presentable. If you go to filters and select the borders, we can see how it brightens things up. You could also go to autocorrect and make it stand out even more. What you desire is entirely up to you. We will utilize autocorrect, and I want you to click where it says basically. You'll notice blur and sharpen settings in this dropdown. We'll be able to sharpen the picture by clicking on it. If we make this a 10, it will be much better. Select the apply button, then save or download this picture. Click on the file drop-down menu. Then save the picture as Van Gogh, the file name for example. Use JPEG as the file type and save it to your PC. Now I'd like to show you how you're going to generate money by selling these photographs. The first website you should go to is Redbubble.com. This website is a print-on-demand service where you can put all kinds of pictures on apparel and goods, particularly with images. Please search for frames, picture frames, posters, and other such items. And you can do that pretty easily by using Redbubble. You can view all of these individual selling posters if you go to Redbubble and click Posters at the top. And if you scroll down, you'll see a lot of similar photographs and posters being promoted on the site. For example, enter Van Gogh into the search box and scroll down. You'll discover a lot of posters here. Enhance and edit these posters as I have told you earlier. And you can put whatever amount you want on these images and earn a lot of money by doing this. Later on, I'll also teach you how to set up a Redbubble shop, so stay tuned. Etsy.com is the name of the second website. I'll show you where you may sell those photographs. This is a fantastic website where people come to list a broad range of various sorts of things. But I will show you a website that will help you sell these photographs, frame them, and mail them to the buyer's door. Here's an illustration. If you scroll down, you'll see that there are a lot of individuals selling these photographs. And if you click on this picture, you'll be able to access the seller's details and take a note of how many sales it made and how much they sold it for. And as you can see, the picture is framed. I can show you how to frame this picture and hang it. There are a lot of them if you scroll down. When you look for posters on this site, we may locate various posters that people are selling, and you can make more money if they're sold in frames. So you'll want to conduct some research on these distinct sorts of posters. If you go to Etsy and look for movie posters, you'll notice individuals selling movie posters for a lot of money, and you may discover a wide variety of these posters. If you just search for exact keywords on this page, you will find many photographs which you can digitally improve and then sell. Suppose a poster which sells for $20 each and has sold over 6,000 copies. If we take this $20 and increase it by 6,000 sales, we have $120,000. See what the seller can earn from selling certain framed photographs to demonstrate the possibilities of making money online with this method. You want to go to this website called Printful.com and join up for a free account. What the site will allow you to do is to integrate. You have integration tab on this website and then look at online marketplaces. You can integrate your site with Printful to Etsy, which means that when you incorporate them and you sell these on Etsy, these guys will produce a product for you as a framed product. You'll find a framed poster design creator plus a few options if you scroll down to the home and lifestyle area. But we're sticking with framed poster design maker. So when you click on it, you'll be sent to the next page where you can choose a frame to put these different photographs in. So if you want to go with the wooden frames, you choose that. And there will be a large range of sizes to choose from, and then select the OK. And if you scroll down, you'll find them in various sizes. So if you choose one, what you do next is relatively straightforward since it will just click on the drop your design after you've gone onto that. And all you have to do is choose Upload. After that, you may simply download the snapshot. You may use any other image. Just click on it, and it'll put the picture here on the side of the frame. You're free to come down. You get to select from various frames, and you can very simply make these typefaces. Click off that, then hop back on it and widen it, and you can even contemplate having it sit inside of the frame. After you've gotten it to fit within the frame, you can start moving it about. If you choose, you may change the color of your backdrop. I want to bring up the wooden frame and expand on it. So from here, I'd like you to choose to generate files and then click on Got It. When you're done, you'll be sent to the next page. It will show you all possible frame dimensions that you may utilize and construct. It will even tell you exactly what these photographs will begin to look like. So what you're doing is selecting the replica style, and then you can produce these files. This is how it is marketed to be advertised. This seems to be fantastic. It's everything done till you get to the website. All that remains is for you to create these files. Once you've made these files, all you have to do is upload them to Etsy and sell the different sorts of images. So there you have it, folks. Did you like today's video? Let us know in the comments below. With this, we're going to wrap up this video. If you enjoyed it, please hit the like button and subscribe for more incredible videos. Until then, take action, make that money, and take care.